Module 3, Lesson 5's objective is to count by units of 7 to multiply and divide using number bonds to decompose. Item 2. Skip count by 7 to fill in the blanks. Then fill in the multiplication equation and use it to write the related division fact directly to the right. When a person is using a ladder, they always start at the bottom. So that's what I'm going to do today. I can see that the bottom rung says 7 times 1 equals. On the left, I see that the sample has already been completed for me. 7 times 1 is 7. That's because 7 groups of 1 is 7. They've written it on the first line on the left, but I think I'm going to go ahead and write it on the blank to the right of the equation as well. Now 7 times 2 is the same thing as counting 7 two times. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. And 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. So 7 times 3 is 21. And if you skip count and add another group of 7, then that makes 28, which is written for you. And 7 times 4 is 28. I'm going to let you finish the ladder on your own. But I want to take a look at the related division facts that are next to the ones I've completed. If you look over to the right, you can see blank divided by 7 is blank on every single one of those problems. Well, the very first number is always going to be the product that you got on the ladder. Remember, product means answer. So if I take this 7 and put it on the first line, it says 7 divided by 7. That means if I have 7 items and I put them in 7 groups, how many are going to be in each group? Let's see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are my 7 groups. I have 7 items, and I'm going to divide them up equally in 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's look. How many are in each group? 1. Let's look at the second one. Blank divided by 7 is blank. Remember, I told you take the product or answer to the multiplication problem. Put it on the first line, 14. Now, if you had 14 items and you divided them up in 7 groups, how many items would be in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let me put my 14 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many items are in each group? 2. You can continue doing it this way. Take the 21, put it on the first line. If I have 21 items and I divide it equally amongst 7 groups, how many items will I have? 3. You know that too by looking at the factors that are in the multiplication problem. Take a look over here. On the first one, 1 is the answer to the division problem, and there it is, one of the factors right here in the multiplication problem. In the second one, 2 is the answer to the division problem, and there it is, one of the factors in the multiplication problem. The same thing is true of the third one. Now you finish this problem, this sheet of problems on your own. Remember, every blank needs to have something written on it. So don't forget to write something on the blanks that are on the rungs of your ladder.